I'm sold.
Good. Excellent.
You answered all of those questions. You got all the answers that I wanted to hear. Great to meet you. Daniel
Nice
from
to meet
Asheville.
you. Philip.
Philip, tell me, what does digital transformation mean for Palfinger?
Actually, it starts and ends with our customers and partners. Enabling our customers and partners do their job better at the end of the day. This is what digitalization means to Palfinger. What we need to do within the company is to build our digital core, our backbones, our data systems, make our machines smarter, change our business models, how we interact. But at the end of the day, digitalization and the transformation is only about how do we serve our customers better in their daily routines and their jobs, because in the end of the day, if you win in your marketplace, we win. It's a partnership, and we use technology to allow and do that.
How does the digitalization, how does that affect us customers cost-wise?
You're absolutely right. If we integrate more devices, sensors, technology into our devices, the cost price is increasing. However, if at the same point in time we are increasing, for example, efficiency, and you can do more, it's all about total cost of ownership, and it's about lifetime excellence. What we want to help you with, we don't want to sell you more features. We want to allow you to get your uptime of your device up. If you equip this device with more technology, you should assume that you get more uptime, a better service, a quicker service, less downtime, more efficient run, and actually the additional value we create, this is coming for a price, you're absolutely right, but in the total cost of ownership, it should benefit you, and this is why we do it.
So you're saying a lorry that was doing 3 or 4 loads a day is now doing 5 or 6 loads a day, so I can cover the cost, and now I have a better lorry on my fleet, which is also safer.
That might be the one element. The other one is a lorry which is breaking down during a shift. And I have a predictive maintenance, and I can tell you, let's do that on Saturday, and you can plan it instead of basically breaking it down. It will save you unplanned downtime, and your driver will basically be more effective. It's not likely only about efficiency, it's also about better planability and higher quality in cost in delivery the services to your partner.
Well, I can tell you, I'm sold.
Good. Excellent.
You answered all of those questions. You got all the answers that I wanted to hear.
Let me tell you a story. 2 years ago, when we showed the prototype of the Smart Control, there was a driver coming in. He was 42 with his son. His son was 12. And we had to stack cubes on top of each other with the original control and the Smart Control, which is a joystick, very simple. And the driver told his son, and I was standing next to it, I could stack 2 cubes on top of each other. Being part of the management team of Palfinger, this is the minimum, and I did the bare minimum. The driver went there and he did 6. And then he was watching over to his son, he's 12, and he only knew joysticks from his PS2.
Yeah.
He would do 6 as well.
I'm used to learning to use a crane. I'm used to multiple different levers on an Epson. So, but using a Smart Control over there and using the same one for up, down, side, and then I turned it and it opened and closed the bucket. I couldn't believe it. So I could basically just use 2 joysticks and control it. I found it a lot more simple and a lot. I can imagine that if you had to use that on a daily basis, it will be a lot more consistent. Like imagine you come into work in the morning and it's -2 outside and all your lines are frozen. You have to warm it up, then you end up stretching it on the slave side, and when you got to use it next week, there's a problem. So yeah, I'm really interested in these Smart Controls, but I want to wait to see till they have like a grab lorry application.
Yeah, I think we are not there yet. This is not being rolled out, and I think the idea behind it is also you can calibrate it. Yeah. It's much more intuitive, so a less experienced driver than you are is much easier to operate it at the same level as you do.
Okay.
It's coming at a cost, obviously, but it's creating a huge value for you. And I think this is what we are about. I think you asked about cost before. Yeah. It's about the cost, which is creating a value for you as a customer, and in the end, total cost of ownership. This is where it comes back. It's allowing you to do your job better, or your drivers at the end of the day.